Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. So I got this tint kit for my eyebrows. It's my first time using it, so wish me luck. Let's see how this goes. And then it comes with the developer, and then this little the capsules for the color, and then it comes with a little brush and then the little thing to mix it with. And I got the color dark brown. So what you're supposed to do is open this, and then we're going to place it inside. So I don't know if you can see, but I placed it inside. So it's like a little powder. So you just open the little capsule and you place it in there. And then you have to add the same amount of developer. It's probably like 2 little drops. So this is how it looks. And now I'm going to mix it together. I'm going to use the brush. So just mix. So by the way, you guys, I got it on Amazon and it retails for like $20. And they have, I think they have 3 different shades. I think they have the medium brown, the dark brown, and then the light brown. So this is how it looks. It's a little weird. So you're just gonna add it like if you were doing your eyebrows. So you're gonna grab a Q-tip and just clean up the eyebrow. So I'm just gonna leave it like that, and you're gonna leave it for, I'm gonna leave it for 20 minutes, but around the 10-minute, I'm remove the front just so it won't look as squared and it'll be like fading ombre look. And I'm going to be doing one eyebrow at a time just because I don't want, like, I want to take my time on it and like don't rush it. And it does come with 20 capsules and then the big developer. So you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the second eyebrow while I wait, because it is 20 minutes. So then I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this eyebrow. This is how it looks now that I have both of them done. So now we're just gonna wait, and then I'm gonna wait half the time just to take off the front, and then let's see how this looks, because I'm a little scared. And good thing we're in quarantine. If it doesn't come out how we want to, ain't nobody gonna see us. Okay you guys, so 10 minutes have passed, and I'm gonna grab a little cotton pad. You could use a cotton ball or whatever you have, and I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of water, and then I'm gonna clean up the inner brow. Okay, so now that I cleaned the inner part of the brow, I'm just gonna wait for the rest a little bit longer. And a little capsule went a long way because it still has a lot of product left We're gonna wait a little bit and then I'll be back to clean up the rest of the brow. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna clean up the rest of the brow. That's just how it looks. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the other brow. Okay you guys, so I already cleaned them up and this is how they look. I actually like it. Like, they look pretty natural. Yeah, I think I actually like it. And for it being my first time, I will definitely try doing it again. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video.